Hey, Agent Bosko here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. Welcome to my newest listing at 112 George Street. The View condos overlooks majestic St. James Cathedral and Park, and it's a short walk to the iconic St. Lawrence Market, Toronto's culinary hotspot for over 200 years. This elegant suite features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a private den. Nearly 1,200 square feet of living space with floor-to-ceiling windows and a large balcony with breathtaking city views. You don't want to miss this tour. Let's go check it out.